Hello, this video is going to show you how to run a report to find books in Destiny that were marked as lost. Now you may want to do this to look for books that are missing after an inventory period, or to see which need to be considered for replacement, which you can look for anytime throughout the year. Now I have my settings made to automatically mark books as lost if they've been checked out and not returned for 30 days after the due date. So in my report, it will show those books as well as the ones that were not found in the last inventory. You're going to go to the Reports tab at the top, then Library Reports on the left, and under Catalog, Titles, and Copies heading, you're going to click on Title and Copy List. Select by title, show titles with lost copies. And you can either save this or run the report as a PDF or an Excel sheet if you just want your lost copies only. Or you can click the Circulation Statistics box here to add your statistics to your lost copies, so you'll know how many times they circulated before they got lost. And you can narrow it down by clicking this box, Only Show Copies that Circulated equal to 0 total, and it will show you which ones have never ever circulated in your library. Or you can say less than 10 circulations in its lifetime, whichever settings you need, and then save and run the report. And then to view your report, you go to your report manager, or you can come back to the same place, Library Reports, Title Copy List, and then click here under Saved Reports, and it will show up there as well. So I'm going to run this report. Okay, view. And then it shows me that these books right here have not circulated more than 10 times. Like this one's 8 times, this one's 4 times in its total lifetime of being in our system. And so that can help you when you're trying to figure out which books need to be weeded or which ones need to be replaced.